Welcome to excellence. Welcome to world class. With MSL Business School, excellence is not a destination, it is a lifestyle.
Hi, my name is Franklin Anintori, and I'm winning awards for Best Female Graduating Student and Best in Advanced Taxation. It's a dream come true for me. Seeing all my hard work paying off, it's a real dream come true, and it's very fulfilling. MSL helped me in various ways. The tutors cared very much about our progress, and that for me made a very big difference. I'll say I was consistent and I paid heed to the guidance of my tutors. That's what's brought me this far. Lastly, I'd like to say, you can do it. Just keep going. Surround yourself with the right people. And if you want to know who the right people are, it's MSL. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Success, and I'm proud to be part of MSL Business School. During my time, our lecturers instilled confidence in us, and this has really boosted my morale, making me believe that in the shortest possible period of time, I'll be able to qualify and become a CA. If you're out there watching me, I gladly recommend MSL Business School for you. Whether a first-timer or a continuous student, come join MSL Business School and you'll never regret. Thank you.
Every lecture, exercise, and challenge instill the values of discipline, consistency, and confidence.
My name is Priscilla Boateng, a past student from MSL Business School. What stood out for me was the flexibility and balance it offered. I was able to combine tuition, academic, and other extracurricular activities. This helped me to be time conscious and disciplined. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Samuel Oforinto, an alumni of MSL Business School. I met MSL when I was having challenges passing some of my papers, and with the help of MSL and the grace of God, I passed all my papers, and now I'm a member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants. My work schedules are very tight, and because of that, I wasn't able to meet all the lectures. MSL has a student-friendly app, which makes available all recorded classes. I was able to catch up, and through that, I was able to write my papers and pass successfully. So I recommend MSL Business School to anyone out there, especially those with very tight work schedules, that with the help of their user-friendly student app, they'll be able to write their papers and pass.
Hello, my name is Antoinette Ativo, a chartered accountant. I joined MSL not too long ago. Before that, I had written corporate reporting for like 4 times without success. But when I came across MSL School, everything became very easy for me, especially with the standards when it comes to corporate reporting. He makes it very understandable, and I can assure you that if you follow his teachings, you will also be where I am today.
I will encourage everyone to join MSL Business School. This is the fastest way to becoming a chartered accountant.
We thank the Most High God for giving our son the opportunity to study. We also appreciate the MSL School for giving our son the tuition and the scholarship also. We really appreciate it. We are so grateful. Thank you.
Thank the MSL Business School for helping my father to pass. If you want to also pass, join MSL Business School. Thank you.
Graduates stand today as proof that hard work, guided by the right support, leads to remarkable results. Their success is our legacy, and their potential has no limits. What we celebrate here is not just closure, but the dawn of new horizons, marked by joy, excitement, and the presence of loved ones. We continue to inspire, innovate, and raise leaders ready to transform the world.
MSL Business School, welcome to excellence, welcome to world class.